Hi everyone, it's Scott here from Outlaw Garage. Today we're just going to get on with the video. We're heading out to see a very special 993 here in Dubai. So we're just going to head off. See you there soon. Bye.
My name is Holger. This is my 993R from 1994. A little bit modified for the tracks here in the UAE, and a car with a lot of history and fun.
So we're going to go through the exterior changes and modifications to the car now. I think the first one, which would have been probably the most work, is that the sunroof has been deleted.
Yeah, I talk you a little bit through the sunroof delete. I did it mostly in my garage, which is a heavier job than expected, honestly. I had to remove all the spot weldings, drill them out, cut them down, cut everything out. There were some six hidden spot welds, which was difficult to get, but when that was done, around 19 kilos is what you lose when you remove the sunroof. You put in 2.5 kilos on a delete plate. And when we were on the work, the welding itself was done by Saluki, I think the best address for welding here in Dubai.
Okay, so it also looks like you deleted the rain gutter as well there, which
was actually more difficult than the sunroof delete.
So in addition to the sunroof, all the glass you said is plexiglass, except obviously the windscreen. So this here, if we tap it, all plexiglass all the way around. And the quarter windows, which is how much of weight saving again?
That's around 5 kilos weight
Around
saving.
5 kilos as well. A rear window as well?
Rear window as well, yeah. That's
okay.
The biggest issue, of course.
And you cut all that yourself here?
No, we got a guy out who got the windows out, and I ordered the windows from England. But it's typical from Britain, you have to recut them afterwards.
Okay. Then we've got the ducktail on the car as well. It's a little bit hard to see in the light, but the ducktail there adds a little bit more cooling to the engine, I would have thought, because I know on our SC it added about 10% extra cooling. It just captures that extra air a little bit.
You make it in braking, it helps already, as you can realize.
You feel it on braking, do you?
The normal 993 wing would have more efficient, but this looks nice.
Yeah, yeah.
The other one is so bulky, so that's a big wing.
So we've got the additional cooling ducts here and the oil coolers underneath, but I think what people will see is that the hood's a little bit different, and I think this comes with a little bit of a story. So what happened there?
Autodrome is not a question if, it's a question when. So I got a little bit nasty on turn 11, that was in 2013, with the result that I could remodel the whole car. So now everything here is also fiberglass. And by the way, that are the inlets for the brake cooling, not for the
brake cooling. Okay. All right. So that must have been quite a bump on turn 11.
It was much.
So we're going to take a look underneath, because I suspect this isn't standard 911 underneath either. Seeing that has been cut and stripped right down as well.
Everything here is missing. It's only a blower left.
Only a blower.
Handmade in Dubai with hand rivets. Yeah, and just on a track day, the old battery came loose, went up and down in the whole compartment here. Damaged the ABS control outside. I have to say, when I opened it inside, it was completely intact. Looked like new. Still working good.
Because there's not much to it, it's not very thick, so it kind of looks like if a battery had slammed against it, that it would have smashed everything inside.
The cover was okay. It did its work.
Wow.
The battery didn't look good anymore.
When you start to get a little bit fanatical about the weight that you're going to be taking off the car, these door cards weigh approximately 200 grams less than the original door cards. So that's when you know you're starting to really focus on the weight that you're losing. I'm surprised we added the weight of the aircon sticker, but I think that's a multi-function and multi-purpose sticker. Engine's pretty stock, except for the strip down of aircon and anything else that's really not required.
Took a little bit part out, the aircon, the console is gone. There's another kilo.
Because the aircon adds quite a bit of weight as well, doesn't it? Is that like
20 kilos? Yeah.
20 kilos. So what people would have noticed about this 993 is that it's actually Tiptronic as well.
Actually, the tip was by accident. I looked 2 years for a car. I couldn't find a manual here. So finally, I read an article about Bryan, the American race driver.
Yeah.
Who made a very interesting report about the Tiptronic. And that for me said, okay, let's try it. I buy a Tiptronic, and this guy is absolutely right. It's a blast on the track. It's boring on the road for sure.
Yeah.
But on the track, if you want to be fast, I think you can be faster than the manual.
Yeah, okay. Well, there's a vote for Tiptronic. It's a full roll cage fit out. Like we said earlier, the floor's been stripped, no carpet, the bare minimum. Obviously no passenger seat. Recording for the track times and the lap times and video, which is the true commitment of track rats, so very good there. Basically stripped out to its bare minimum.
After the sunroof delete, the roll cage was very low. Actually, you couldn't go look in the mirror backwards. So it's a look if you adjusted the roll cage. Again, Saint-Luc is the best guys for that work, I guess, here in Dubai. And
so now you can.
Now I can see what comes from the back, which is not so much.
Well, previous conversations have been that you probably need to watch what's coming from the front, not so much the back. Okay, so I think we're going to take her for a little bit of a drive now. It's novice track afternoon here at the Autodrome. I don't think this is going out because I'm absolutely sure that there's nothing novice about this. When we're heading down today to Video Holger's 993, that there was also a track day down here as well, so this is a real nice surprise. So this car is destined for our channel at some point, a regular down here at the track day. I believe it's actually supercharged as well. So this is fully kitted out for racing. Let's try and have a look on the inside as well. Again, fully stripped out, ready to go. Livery goes all the way through to the fuel tank as well. So all varieties of cars from the Caterham, BMW and a Lamborghini. Thanks to Holger today for bringing the car down. It's been out on track a lot here in Dubai, and everybody will have the opportunity to see it again. Please like the video, subscribe. We'll catch you all soon with more cars from Dubai. See you later, guys. Bye.